Hello and welcome to 3DHP. I just ordered something really cool from ZYLTECH out of Texas. You know what they say about Texas, things are bigger in Texas? Well, today things are bigger in Las Vegas. Check this out. I figured since I'm building this great big ass hypercube here, 445 Evolution, which I bought that kit from ZYLTECH also, I might as well get a giant roll of PETG. And I've never ever tried a spool this big before. Just check this thing out. This is a monster. And it's all vacuum sealed very well. And I also bought a smaller roll of blue PETG that I've been printing all my parts in for my hypercube. Here's a standard roll. Just, as you guys know what a standard roll of PLA looks like, or PETG. Standard 1 kilogram spool. And like I say, this is a 5 kilogram spool, and this thing is a monster. This is really big. So since I can't use a regular holder for it, I went ahead and ordered, since obviously this won't fit on a regular filament holder, ZYLTECH sells a roller style. It's got a 20/20 extrusion, smooth rods. It's got some 4 bearings here. Let me get this put together and try it and see how it works. Well, we got that done. The pillow blocks, when they're brand new, they're very stiff. So you stick your rod in it and you got to bend it up and down, left and right, forward and back, and loosen up the pillow block. There's 2 set screws in each one of these. So once you get the rod centered, you get it slid in, you tighten up the set screws, 2 on each of the pillow blocks to keep the rod from, shifting out to one side of your spool if it falls down and wouldn't spin. So got that together. Now let's open this spool up and see what we got here. See how it fits. I used to, wow, silicone gel packs, there's like 5 or 6 of them in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5 of them. Another thing that's really good about having a spool this big is I have filament runout sensors on all my printers, which is wonderful. When I run out of filament, it'll pause the print for however long, 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever it takes, and let me know. It'll sit there and wait on me until I replace the filament. But let's say you go on a trip or you're at work or whatever may happen for whatever reason, if you have a big enough spool, you don't have to worry about this filament sensor tripping and it's sitting there and pausing the print. Something this big is just going to keep printing and printing and printing and printing. So why not? And besides, when you buy something this large, you're saving like 12 or 13 bucks over buying the 5th spool, buying 5 individual spools. You save more money buying in bulk. So that's another reason why I got it. ZYLTECH didn't send this to me for free. I had to pay for it. I'm an affiliate with ZYLTECH and I get a discount on everything I buy, so I got a discount on the spool, but I still had to pay quite a bit of money for it. Same with the spool holder. And I do these videos because I'm trying to inform the public and inform you guys in the community what's going on, and trying to give you hints and tips, and Anyway, let's see how this works. And it spins. So that should work okay. I'll have to wait till I try it. And other than a 5-pound spool, it's supposed to hold 3 regular spools. So we've got 3 ZYLTECH spools here. Let's line them up and see. 1, 2, 3. And yep, it holds 3 spools. So I guess you could have 3 spools sitting on here and you get feed from whichever one you wanted. And it's still going to churn. They're not heavy enough right now. They're not spinning the rods. But the reel will spin on it freely. Well, that's cool. Anyway, I need to get back to work on my hypercube here. It's slow going on. It's a project. When I started this, I didn't intend on getting it done in a few days or a week. It's just a project I want to work on. I love to tinker. So I hope you, and I got me a new hat. I found a couple hats on amzn.to, ordered them out of China. They got held up in California for almost a week. I didn't know if it was a coronavirus or why, but anyway, almost a week later, I finally got my hats delivered here to Las Vegas. And they're pretty cool. It's a 3D HP, 3D printing and painting. And going through Teespring right now on shirts and coffee cup, but they don't have hats available. So I'm probably going to go with a different company and see if I can get something set up. And my website is slowly coming along at 3dhp.net. I've got that up and running. It's still under construction. I do have quite a few pictures there. There's some pictures of the hypercube. And if you want to go check it out, it's there. Like I say, it's nowhere near finished. I have so much more to do, but it is up and running. And anyway, down below in the description, if you go to ZYLTECH, I have a code down below in the description. You can get 15% off anything on their site except for special filament packs. There's a code down below in comments in the description right down below under this video where you get 15% off. So if you want to get 15% off with some cool products, hey, it's great. And if you order $75 or more, it's always free shipping here in the US with ZYLTECH. So please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and happy printing, everybody.